Hello and good morning. Today we are at beautiful Lake Berryessa. I'm camping here with my girlfriend and we're just getting ready to get out on the water. Had an amazing breakfast. I've actually fished from shore a little bit. Had 2 followers on the jerkbait, no takers, but it just looks so damn good. Nighttime temps were about 47 degrees, I believe. It felt really cold. Now that the sun's out though, it's warming up fast. We're gonna get into the low 70s. And I know I say this every week, every time I go fishing, but I'm super excited to get on the water. So wish us luck and thanks for watching. Fish under me. Where's your line? The water's so clear. The water's like so nice looking. So grab it by the bottom lip. You got it. Just grab them. That's a good spot, babe. That's a spotted bass.
Yeah.
Phew, good job. Did you feel the bite? Shame, you got 2. All right. Oops. We don't want people to see that we're on them here. All right, let's see. Zeroed out. Come on, almost 2 pounds. Let's try again. Hang on. Zeroed out. 1.98. I mean, you can call that a 2-pounder, babe. Here, take another pick. You don't want one with it?
Yeah, I'll take another.
Use the pole to bring it closer to you and then grab him by the mouth. Oh, shoot. If I can get it out. It's all right, here. Bring it. Where are we at?
Right, yep.
Got it. Whew. Another smallmouth. Wow, babe, nice. And I was worried about your worm. Maybe you have to change it. It's the same worm.
Yeah.
It's a lucky worm here.
I guess so.
I saw a school of bait over there. I thought I was gonna get on them. Here you go. You drink your water that you brought?
Yeah.
You had 1 and the electrolyte?
Yeah.
Okay.
How many do you have?
2. I'll take the squishy one. Huh?
That's why.
You're
I don't
right.
want a banana.
You're right. I'm throwing them away. It's the bananas. There's no way it's the bananas. I mean, very superstitious. Riding on the wall. Finally, that one. After 6 grueling hours. Wow, people, look at that. I cannot believe it. I thought I was gonna skunk, but I have not. Wow. The curse has been lifted. Let's try to catch this one really quick. It's still here. Over there. Got one. Well, I got one and lost it because I didn't know how to land it, obviously. You guys saw that? Hey, it's a fish. Hey, it's a bite. Let's retie this. Oh, there's probably one on here too right now. Wasn't even paying attention. Very next cast. Oh, dude, what the heck? Wasn't even paying attention. But at least I'm getting some action. The most action I've gotten all freaking day, huh? Fish on. Yep, a largie. That's 3 bites though, pretty consistently. Yo, I'm on them now, finally. Even though it's just little dinks on the drop shot. Can't complain, man. Cannot complain. Oops. Hopefully that one survives. Oh. As I was messing with my phone, same thing as one of the other ones. They're eating this drop shot right now, I'm telling you. Nice one, man. Heck yeah. Whew. I was like making a video for the boys, and then this one came up and took it. Nice one. Heck yeah. Well, they're eating, that's for sure. Chill, chill. .2.1. Nice 2-pounder. Heck yeah, dude. And I was just dead sticking it. I was just like looking at my phone. Nice 2-pounder. All freaking 4 or 5 bites just now in 30 minutes here in the same little area. Are you guys soaking bait?
Yeah, we're gonna in a minute. Yeah, we're starting to.
I'll go around.
We're fishing this way.
Yeah, I know. I gotta get back to those campsites. I'll do my best to not.
Oh, I'm fine. It's so deep that we're like straight down behind the boat.
All right.
Like, it's no big deal.
What are you guys trying to get?
Catfish.
Have fun, guys. Catch some fat. It's a good one. It's a good one. Whoo, baby. They're biting right now. Look at that. Nice chunky one. Ooh. Look at that. Right where they're supposed to be. .2. Nice. Look at that, guys. Another 2-pounder. Nice one, huh? And I'm literally right by the car, and I freaking paddled my happy ass all over today. I'm getting more action close to the car and the campsite than anywhere else. more. More and more. This evening bite is just off the charts. Yeah, I should have got the net. Okay, that's... Look at that. Another one. I lost count how many. Imagine I get a big 10-pounder right now. Shit my pants. Royally. That was awesome. That was awesome. Not a big one, but it was awesome. Chill. That's the jerkbait eater. Finally got one to commit. Figure eighted this one. Nice little one on the jerky jerk. I saw it just like checking it out. Переплывет океан.
Чтоб сердце мое одинокое зажило от горьких ран.
Не плачь и жди меня домой. Ты помни, я живой, а значит, я вернусь домой. Не плачь, я многое стерпел, и это мой удел, а значит, я вернусь домой. Не плачь. Got one. Yes. They want this jerkbait, man. Jerkbait eaters. Second little dink on the jerkbait this morning. They're finally committing to it though. I had 3 followers yesterday and I couldn't get any bites on anything except Ned rig and drop shot. Today I've got 2 fish on the jerkbait. Not big, but gonna keep fishing. There's a little one. Oh, another one right there. It's like in a, oh, there's 2 right here. Oh, there's 3. Oh my God. There's 3 over here. Oh, there's a fish right here, babe. Cast your Ned. Oh, there's a big one right here. Oh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That thing. Oh.
Where?
Holy f.
Where?
It just like swam that way. That thing was like at least a 10-pounder. Oh my God. Here's one right here. A good one. I thought this one was big. I just don't know if they're eating or not. It's not interested at all. Yo, that thing though. That one, that was a life-changing fish right there.
Well, what a fun couple of days camping at Lake Berryessa. Fishing was good. Fishing wasn't great, but again, I need to start managing my expectations. I need to stop setting the bar so high. Like, I just thought that every tree, every rock I would throw something at, I was gonna get bit. Like, the bite that I experienced on the first day at night is how I expected the whole weekend to go. We definitely started seeing fish on day 2 up in the shallows, but they were just cruising. Not many locked on beds, not many interested in any of the baits that we were throwing at them, but it was still fun to get some fish. So Jackie on day 1, she caught, I don't know what, 6 or 7 fish. She missed a couple as well. And I only caught 1 in that first session that we had, first fishing session, where we went on the main lake and just kind of followed the bank and fishing trees, fishing rocks, fishing bluff walls. And she got onto a few spots on a few nice smallies. So I'm super happy for her, proud of her. Her goal was to catch 1, and she caught like 6 fish or something, you know. And my goal, I don't think I set a specific goal, but my expectations were through the roof and I could barely get 1. You know, I was throwing all the baits under the sun, ended up getting it on the Ned rig finally. We came back, had dinner, I went back out and got onto a nice drop shot bite, which was super fun. Got a couple 2-pounders and I launched the next morning, got a couple fish on the jerkbait, and that was it, you know. After breakfast, we went back out to the back of the cove, and that's when we started seeing a bunch of fish, but none of those fish were eating. However, it was good to see fish, it's good to see action, it was good to catch a few, and it was just fun to be out there. You know, as much as I love fishing, I don't love camping that much. Sleeping sucks, it's cold at night, there's no showers, but you can roll out of bed and fish, which is always good for me. So I'm gonna camp again, maybe this weekend. Pretty much gonna try to camp and fish and just be outside as much as possible before the summer heat kicks in, before the summer crowds kick in, and keep trying to go catch a big mama. So thanks for watching and tune in next time.